Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of x squared, we have 2x. First derivative of x, you got about number 1, so we have negative number 2. This one, that is about the constant, so you got about 0. So this one we have AS. We know that this is about 16x minus 4. This is about AS minus number 2. So in this situation, we multiply both sides by number 2. And number 2 with A, you got about 16. And this one you got about number 4. So this one we change by u. This one we change by 2 du. The integration of this one, we have to ln of the absolute value of u. And we put about c. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.